What's up guys, Rich here, and we are going to unbox Spinnaker's all new Cahill 300 Automatic Help for Heroes Limited Edition. And right away we can see through the plastic that these three different colors represent the three different branches of the armed forces, the Navy, Army, and Air Force. So let's get started. Hello, Rich. Okay, something from the Spinnaker team. Thank you. Actually, I'll read. Hello, Rich. Hope you enjoy your new watch. Looking forward to your review. Please do not post this before November 4th because this is actually available now. So we can order this right now. So here is the box in support of Help for Heroes. It's a cool, colorful box. So let's get to it here. It looks like a warranty card, a cleaning cloth, and some information. Fitted into a nice velvet lined box here. Okay, and here is the watch. Okay. So I am going to, all the plastic and the tag is still on here. Let's see if I can remove some of this. I'm probably gonna not, yep, I am. I'm gonna remove at least this part of it so we can get a better look at the dial. Okay, so I am back. I just stepped away for a minute so I could just remove some of the protective plastic so we can get a better look at this watch. So I'm gonna, we can get some pretty good, there's a nice textured dial. If we're familiar with Spinnaker, we're probably used to this kind of a nicely textured dial. So I'm going to read off of the press release for some of this information because the Cahill 300 Automatic Help for Heroes Limited Edition, its aim is to pay tribute for the 40th anniversary of the Falklands War as part of the history of the British Armed Forces. And the Cahill is in 43 millimeters, 13 millimeters tall, and it uses a 22 millimeter strap width. So according to the press release, Help for Heroes is the leading veterans charity that provides a lifetime support to those wounded in the service of their country. Each watch contributes 5% of their net sales to the Help for Heroes organization, and it is limited to 600 pieces. So the watch itself, it has an aluminum bezel insert, and right above around that 15-minute marker on the bezel inlay, it reads, "In support of Help for Heroes." So that's one of the parts that it commemorates. It's a little harder to see right here, but that is here right across the 15-minute part of the bezel here. It has a screw-down crown, and like the name suggests, the Cahill 300, it is water resistant to 300 meters. So it has a sapphire crystal, which is worth noting because Spinnaker still uses mineral crystals on some of their models. So, I always prefer a sapphire lens. So that was just worth noting here. So when you're looking at it, I quite like it. I like the color scheme a lot. I think the colors come across really nicely. It's well done. Of course, it has a Mercedes hands, but that texturing on the dial and the bezel with the different pops of color of the red, I think it comes together. It comes together really nicely. So we see it on the steel bracelet, but it also comes with this leather strap. So I'm going to remove it from the sleeve here. And it has the tool to change out the strap from the bracelet. And here it is on the genuine leather strap. So we're going to note that these three-stitch design, which echoes the Help for Heroes colors, which represent the three branches of the armed forces, just like the colors of the box, which is for the Navy, Army, and Air Force. So if we want to put it on the leather, it gives it an entirely different look. I kind of actually like the leather a lot. But the bracelet seems solid. The whole watch seems very substantial. It seems nice in the hand. We got the red along the crown right there. The movement, what's powering the Cahill 300? It's powered by the Seiko NH35 automatic movement. And while this is in blue, the other color options are black and white. So here it is overall in a really, a really different type of colors, but I think it works because of their collaboration with the military and the Help for Heroes organization. The retail price is $375, and it is available. I think they just launched it right now, so it's available for us to order this and support the cause if that is important to us. I think if we like Spinnaker watches and we like the value of Spinnaker watches, I think we're going to really like their new 300, the Cahill 300 Help for Heroes limited edition. There's really nothing right now for me to nitpick yet. I'll get to spend some time with this watch, but overall it's solid. The bracelet is solid. It has an extra strap and a really cool packaging that supports that organization. So if we like what we see, and again, if we like what we get in the other Spinnaker watches, I really think we're going to like this new Cahill 300. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.